up behind me is Parnitha, and there's a casino on top of it, but I think the casino is now closed. But let's see. Okay, the cable car is going up, and it only takes customers of the casino. If only I would have kept the casino card, and I could have gone up there. It's quite a nice cable car, but yeah, now I have to drive up. Yeah, it was a long drive to get up to the casino, but like 20 minutes, even though the cable car could get me up here straight away. But let's go see at the casino what's going on there. Last time I came to this casino, I gambled a little bit. It was quite fun, but in the end I got so bored, so I just gambled everything away. I don't know how people can spend whole days in a casino. But the view here is so nice. Then cover all the plants here, and hopefully I can get close enough to get the picture. Ah! Okay, the mother deer is staring at me. And the little Bambi is suckling her milk, but you can't see it yet. I'm gonna wait till she turns around and then go closer. Just now I sneezed and then the deer all ran away. I'll try and get there now. Oh God. I think now all the deers within a 2 kilometer radius know that I'm here. And I hope I don't meet the stag, because these deers are huge, but too small to film them. This deer is... That was so close, and I scared it out of the bushes. Oh, there's more. But I don't think you saw them. But you must have seen the one before. That's insane. I hope I get one deer on there. They're so spooked now. They've all ran into the bushes and nobody knows. But yeah, that's like the awesome part about the casino on Parnitha. All the deer. But okay, now they're gone, and nobody's gonna see them anymore for the next week, because a stupid German was running after them. So casino and deer, so now it's time for hiking. This looks totally like in Bavaria. I could be climbing up the Grünstein and I don't know. And this is also just outside Athens. There's more than just the Acropolis. And end of February, end of May until the end of summer, nobody walks here, and then you can just let go of your work, of your whatever, and yeah, it's very nice. I never liked Parnitha as much as Penteli in Athens, but this is amazing, and the smell is wow. And I'm sure I'm getting all these pronunciations way wrong, but I had a stroke. And frankly, I don't give a damn. Look what I found. On a little hut on the mountain. Oh my god. Like, this is really on the mountain, and I don't know how they got all this stuff up here. Must have taken forever. Down there, I think I'm gonna say the wrong thing again, but down there, I don't know what this is, but I think it's a fire watchman kind of place. I'll just, maybe my Greek friends can tell me what that is. Let's see. I think I can go in there. Wow. Some chairs so you can enjoy the view. But I think it's used for properly looking for fire in the summer, because earlier I saw so many nice places which have all been burned down, and trees really take a long time until they grow back. Let's have a beer. It is a bit cloudy, and I'm just underneath the tree border, so I've got not so good view except from the hut. And yeah, I really enjoyed this walk, probably more than all the other walks I've done so far. The brew shop seller and we shared a bottle of beer this morning, and he says as well that beer is awesome. So cheers. Today I wore white socks to find out where the holes are in my shoe and where the water comes in. So here is one hole, but here is the other. So I think I need new shoes. Apparently this is wolf poop. Some rangers just met me and they said there's wolves up here. I thought it was dog poop, but they said if it's really red then it might be a wolf. They must like to eat the deer around here. Maybe it's a feral dog with hemorrhoids. Imagine, some girls are scared of dogs around here. Imagine what a wolf pack would do to them. Ah! Is what a forest fire can do. Probably started by human just for fun, but I don't know. It makes me sad. I'm a sad panda. Imagine the size of this Parnitha's garden, devastated by a forest fire. I think a lot of tourists would stay at home. Naval Tower of Athens, and they said don't go there and take pictures, and then being the good German I am, I didn't go take pictures. But I think there's some guy checking me out. This was the closest I could get before the don't take pictures sign. This is Athens below. I think it's amazing. And over there is a casino with all the cable cars going to it that I couldn't get into. But for me it was definitely better not to go up with a cable car. I wouldn't have seen so much of the mountain. So, Parnitha, I don't know how to pronounce it, but Parnitha, done! Now I'm at the restaurant of my dreams. It's probably the best KFC in the whole of Athens. And yeah,